Hello everyone, this is our sixth experiment. The aim of our experiment is to use the given dataset and build the CNR tree-based classification. So for that purpose I use the Deals dataset from the samples, and moving on further I use the gradient boosted trees as the operator. Actually, boosting is a flexible non-linear regression which is used to improve the accuracy level of the trees. And here we use the gradient boosted trees in order to predict the future customer attributes for the deals dataset that we are using here. And we make the necessary connections. The next operator that I use here is apply model. We give the output from the gradient boosted trees to the apply model operator, and we drag and drop the deals test set from the samples. We connect this to the apply model, and finally I use a operator that is the performance classification operator, and I give the connection from the apply model to it. Yes, now this is our process or the design, and here what I have done is I have dragged and dropped the deals dataset from the samples, and I've used the gradient boosted trees operator over here in order to predict the future customer attributes for the deals dataset. And I've given the output from the gradient boosted trees to the apply model, where I have tested the deals test set, and the output from the apply model I have given it to the performance operator in order to detect the performance vector and the accuracy. Moving on further, if we look in the parameters of the gradient boosted trees, we have here number of trees. Number of trees, here it's normally the default value is 20. For example, I gave it here as 10, and depending on this, the trees will be generated in the final output. And we have maximal depth, that is default is 5, and several other parameters are present over here like minimum rows, min split improvement, etc. And the parameters can be changed accordingly and output derived. Now if we run this process, yes, here I get the example set versus the example set, where I have row number, future clusters, which are given in terms of yes and no, age, gender, payment method, etc. It goes on. And I have a performance vector where it says that I have an accuracy of 100%, which is really very good, and the class precision is 100, and if we look at the description also, we get the accuracy is 100%. And so this is the example set generator and the performance vector. Further, in order to generate the trees from the gradient boosted trees operator, we connect the output from the apply model to the direct output port, and if we run it, here we get the gradient boosted trees output, and as we have given the number of trees to be 10, so we have derived 10 trees in the output. The first tree, if we click on it, we get the first tree. There's a first tree, our second, third, fourth, and it goes on. So this was our sixth experiment, and here what I did is I connected all the necessary connections, and I derived the output, which is the gradient boosted trees, and I checked the performance vector, and it was 100% accuracy. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.